Purushartha is accelerated by grace. Purushartha is self-effort. But self-effort becomes weakened if you don't have the opening for grace. And opening for grace is backed up by love of God. If bhakti is there in your integral yoga, bhakti-based movement, then as if God becomes responsible for making you attain victory. And God's qualification is asanga, detached. He will not touch any weapon. But a transfiguration occurs that God becomes effective in accelerating your sadhana and creating wonders. Impossible becomes possible, led by God. And end up realizing that God, He remains constantly untouched, but appears like He has taken a responsible post. And that's the encouraging point for spiritual aspirants. It's not a total your effort from your side. Upadrashtanumantacha. God is the overseer. He is encourager, inspirer. You can become an instrument in His hand. And ultimately you melt in His personality, attain moksha.